Welcome back. In this demonstration I'm going to show you how to make this origami bunny. To get started you'll need a square piece of paper, but if you're anywhere else in the world and you don't have a square piece of paper, you can take any sheet that you've got and take the top edge here and valley fold it over so that that top edge becomes a triangle. Then take this, what used to be the top edge, and align it with the side edge of your paper. Once those two pieces are aligned, you can take your bone folder and crease that valley fold right along the diagonal. Then remove the extra flap of paper you have at the bottom, and the result will be a square piece of paper. Once you have that square piece of paper, take the right hand edge of your paper and valley fold it over to the left hand edge of your paper. This will make a vertical valley fold right through the center of your paper. Then open your paper up, take the right hand edge and fold it into the center. Crease that valley fold, and then repeat the same on the other side. Take the left hand edge of the paper and fold it in towards the center. Crease that valley fold nicely. Now you're going to have your four corners of your paper. Take the top edge of your corner and valley fold it in to meet up with the center line here. And what the result will be is this nice right triangle. Then do the same thing on each of the other corners of your paper. Take the outside bottom edge and valley fold it in towards the center to make a right triangle. Take the bottom outside edge, valley fold it in towards the center. Take the top edge and valley fold it in towards the center. Now, once you've finished that, unfold those four corners. Now you're going to take this flap of paper and you're going to lift it up so that this edge here becomes the center spine of the paper, and then you're going to squash fold it, resulting in that kind of a triangle. Then repeat that 3 more times. Lift up this flap of paper and squash fold it down. Lift this flap of paper and squash fold it down. And lift this flap of paper and squash fold it down. Now that you have this result, flip your paper over and valley fold your paper from this corner to this corner. So you're going to take these two and you're going to valley fold it over. And as you valley fold, let these other two flaps of paper come out of the back, like so. Repeat the step at the bottom, valley fold it here, and let those two little flaps flap out from the bottom. And you'll have this. Okay, now flip your model over again and take this outside edge here and valley fold it so that it aligns with the center of your model, like so, and crease that valley fold nicely. Do the same thing on the other side. Take this side and valley fold it in towards the center, like so. Like so. Now take this top piece of paper and valley fold it downward and let these two little, there's one large flap I guess, flip out. So these two little bits here are aligned with the center. Then you're going to take your paper and valley fold it downward and rotate it like this. Now you've got your main bunny shape. Okay. Now this main bunny shape is going to end up looking something like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this little corner here and inside reverse fold it to create the nose. So take this little bit, valley fold it backwards, like so, and then take this bit and inside reverse fold it, like so. Alright. Now you're going to take this whole area, the head, and we're going to pivot fold it. And we're going to pivot fold it so that we create a crease about right there. And to do this, you're going to grab these little ear parts, or what will be the ear. Hold your thumb and index finger here. Just gently lift this paper up. And you want to lift it up so that these ears are kind of sticking straight up and the jaw of the bunny is kind of horizontal. Once you get it into the right place, and this might take a moment to just experiment, but once you get it in the right place, then use your fingers to gently crease that in place and use your bone folder to finish the crease. The next step is to create these feet. Okay, these little feet are actually this big tail out here. So what we're going to do is we're going to eventually inside reverse fold this, but before we do that, we want to fold this bit forward so we can see those two little feet sticking out here. Alright, and you want this piece of paper to be horizontal and parallel with the bottom. Okay, so once you get these feet in the right place, take your bone folder and give this paper a good strong crease. Then open it up and separate that flap of paper and inside reverse that piece of paper, creating the two little feet here in the front. Next, to kind of create the back shape of the bunny here, you're going to just take a little triangle here and fold it inside of the model. So the top paper, I'm going to mountain fold it inside, like so, and then take the back piece of paper and technically valley fold it inside. You want to make it so that it's the same, so that it's parallel, or sorry, symmetrical, and that forms the back edge of the bunny there. And the last step is to take these ears and just gently manipulate them into the right place. So you can separate the flaps of paper for the ear and use your thumb to kind of curl the paper around to whatever your desired size is, or shape rather, for the ears. Separate these flaps. Use my thumb to kind of open up that flap and crease it. And there's the little bunny ears. Okay, so that is how to finish the origami bunny.